Hello and welcome to Sleep Rich. If you want a little help manifesting your goals, let's do a short visualization exercise together. To manifest your dream, you need to have a very clear vision of what that dream looks like. You must see it, feel it, and know every detail about it. And after that, you must believe that you already have it. And then let it go. Today, we're going to do just that. Now, find a comfortable position. You can lay down or just sit. Close your eyes and take a deep breath in. Then exhale slowly. Let your body settle, noticing the weight of your limbs as they rest. Your only task right now is to breathe, be present, and listen to my voice. Your mind might wander off, and that's okay. Don't forget that you are in a safe space. Imagine you're sitting in a quiet, sunlit studio with a blank canvas in front of you. You have nowhere else to be, nothing else to do. Just you in this studio. Everything is cozy and comfortable here. The canvas represents your reality, waiting for you to create. In your hand, you hold a black brush dipped in light. You have bottles of light standing on a shelf, and you know you will never run out of light. Each gentle stroke on this canvas will bring your desires and intentions to reality. With your next inhale, visualize dipping your brush into a bottle of light. Breathe normally and just start painting your goal. See the colors, but brighter than reality. Almost like glowing. It can be a car, or you at your new job, or you at your wedding with the love of your life. You standing on a stage, a red carpet, people around you cheering you on. Whatever it is, start painting. Paint yourself right in the middle of it too. See yourself in that dream. See what you're wearing in that dream. Paint yourself smiling, laughing, whatever it is, paint it. What time of the day is it? What is the object? What is the location? And where are you in that painting? Now, bring forward a new, clean brush. Dip it into another bottle. With steady, deliberate strokes, add details to your vision. The sounds, the feelings. Perhaps you hear laughter, sense of freedom, or feel the warmth of success. Let each detail anchor your intention deeper. Go ahead and paint those right now. Pause and breathe in the energy of creation. Exhale any doubt or hesitation. These have no place here. This studio is a safe space for your dreams to emerge. No dream is too big. Repeat this process. Inhale to add color. exhale to refine the vision. Continue until your canvas is vibrant and complete, a testament to your power to manifest what you truly desire. Make sure that you see your painting in high definition. Take a deep breath in through the nose and exhale through the mouth. Now step back and observe the canvas. Feel the excitement that comes with seeing your vision clearly. Notice how it glows softly. I want you to smile right now. Look at your painting. Look at this version of reality that you created. Get really excited. Smile, really smile. It has now happened. Wow, what a beautiful moment. What a beautiful painting. What a beautiful reality. Are you still smiling? Now, I want you to feel gratitude. Say thank you. Thank whoever made this possible. It can be the universe, it can be God, it can be Allah, whatever you believe in. It can even be you, but say thank you in your mind and really deeply feel gratitude right now. Take one final deep breath in and exhale completely. Feel confidence and calm blend within you, anchored by the clear image you've painted. When you're ready, bring your awareness back to your breath, your body, and the room around you. Wiggle your toes, move your fingers, and open your eyes. And now it's time to let go. Let go of the dream. It's already on its way. Don't force it. Just flow. Thank you for meditating with Sleep Rich.